The Strait of Hormuz just went offline. 20% of the world's oil supply just got cut off. And gold is falling. Let me explain why. The U.S. Navy imposed a full blockade on the Strait of Hormuz after talks with Iran collapsed this weekend. 11 million barrels per day, the offline. That's 1/5 of global oil supply. The IEA dumped 400 million barrels from reserves. Markets didn't care. Oil surged hard. Here's the part that catches people off guard. Gold dropped over 2%, despite the chaos. Why? Because this energy shock is screaming inflation. Higher inflation means the Fed stays hawkish. The dollar strengthens, and gold gets crushed under rate expectations. For the first time in this entire conflict, energy inflation has overtaken geopolitical fear as the dominant driver. Japan's 10-year bond just hit its highest yield since 1997. That's not a blip. That's bond markets pricing sustained energy inflation globally. And here's the wild part. Trump says the ceasefire is holding well, while the Navy blockades Iranian ports. Tehran is threatening retaliation. Tankers are turning back. Contradictory headlines are going to drive this market all week. Now flip to crypto. Bitcoin is coiling for something big. Whale inflows to exchanges are at a 30-day low. Exchange reserves just hit a 9-year low. Long-term holders absorbed nearly $49 billion in a single day, while weak hands dumped $54 billion at losses. Negative funding rates on top of that. That's a textbook short squeeze setup. Ethereum is hitting record network activity. Real usage, not speculation. Layer 2 flows confirm it. Two massive whales just staked tens of thousands of ETH, locking supply. The $2,200 level is your key resistance. If it breaks with volume, ETH could run. And avoid WLFI. Justin Sun exposed alleged backdoors in the contract. Political tokens are a minefield right now. Two stories driving everything this week. Oil supply is physically constrained and Bitcoin supply is tightening. The macro and the crypto are actually aligned. Real-world scarcity meeting on-chain scarcity. Stay sharp, trade the headlines, and respect the volatility. I'll see you tomorrow.